And this, if you are doing it in the rough register, it's fine, but it should be done in the fair register. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so put the heading direct and indirect speech. Should I begin?
Yes, ma'am.
Is everybody ready? I'm asking all the students. Only
Yes, ma'am.
Rahul is not there in
Yes,
my
ma'am.
class. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So in the very first, you start writing. Ashok said, 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 comma, double inverted. Ashok said, comma, double inverted. I should always be capital. I am working hard for the examination. I am working hard for the examination. Ashok said, comma, double inverted, I'm working hard for the examination. Close the double inverted and put a full stop. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashok said, now this is the direct speech, okay? Why? Because the words that are spoken by the speaker, they are always put in double inverted commas, okay? तो जहाँ पर भी हमें किसी के words quote करने होते हैं ना, as it is, we always put those words in double inverted commas. Next one लिखो indirect इसका. Ashok said that he was working hard for the examination. Ashok said that he was working hard for the examination. Ashok said that he was working hard for the examination. Full stop. No comma, no inverted comma, nothing will come. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Once you write it, let me know. Say yes, ma'am. Take a fresh line and write down in the first sentence. In the first sentence, comma, the actual words of the speaker. In the first sentence, comma, the actual words, WORDS, words of the speaker are quoted, QUOTED. The actual words of the speaker are quoted, QUOTED, full stop. This is called direct speech. This is called direct speech. Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Take again a fresh
Yes, ma'am.
line. Direct speech, okay? D will be capital and S will be capital. Now you take a fresh line. In the second sentence, we give, comma, in the second sentence, comma, we give, G-I-V-E, give, the substance of what the speaker said. We gave the substance of what the speaker said without quoting, Q-U-O-T-I-N-G, without quoting his actual words, full stop. This is called indirect, I capital, indirect, ब्रैकेट में लिखो reported, close the bracket, speech as capital,
मैम ब्रैकेट में
reported लिख लो बेटा, इसको reported speech भी कहते हैं indirect. I'll repeat. In the second sentence, comma, we give the substance of what the speaker said without quoting the exact words, full stop. This is called indirect speech, that is reported speech. Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you take a fresh line and write down rules for changing direct speech into indirect. Rules for changing direct speech into indirect. All are writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Rules for changing direct speech into indirect.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write down when changing the direct speech, into indirect, when changing the direct speech into indirect, comma, certain, C-E-R-T-A-I-N, grammatical changes, certain grammatical changes.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, what is the meaning of grammar?
What is the meaning of?
Grammatical.
Grammatical is related to grammar. Got it? Related
Yes,
to
ma'am.
grammar means related to tenses and all. Okay, related to pronouns and all. Clear? Certain
Yes, ma'am.
grammatical changes have to be made. Certain grammatical changes have to be made. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is after grammatical changes?
अरे ग्रामर में चेंज होगा ना उसकी.
No,
Use your
ma'am.
brains, beta. Grammatical changes have to be made.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I am asking that what is after grammatical changes?
अरे तो I am repeating it ना. You listen. Certain grammatical changes have to be made. Okay. Now write down the first point. Write down the first point. If the reporting verb are capital, reporting verb V capital VERB, if the reporting verb is a past tense, if the reporting verb is a past, P capital, past tense, T capital, comma, if the reporting verb is a past tense, comma, the tense of the verb in the reported speech, the tense of the verb in the reported speech, RNS capital, must be changed to the past tense. The tense of the verb in the reported speech must be changed to the past tense. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this was the first point. Now iska first point likho. Okay, is first ka first point. The present tense either you write down first point of this first point या तो 1.1 लिख लीजिए या 1.a लिख लीजिए, सबसे बेस्ट है a point. The present tense brackets in the reported speech must be changed to corresponding past form. The present tense in the reported speech, bracket में लिखना in the reported speech, must be changed to corresponding past form. Now write down
Yes, ma'am.
shall into should. Fresh line लेना और लिखना shall.
Ma'am, bracket close.
नहीं ब्रैकेट तो बस वही था इन द रिपोर्टेड स्पीच, उसी को डालना था बस बेटा ब्रैकेट, और कुछ नहीं डालना है. ओके, टेक अ फ्रेश
Yes, ma'am.
लाइन एंड राइट डाउन shall
Ma'am.
into should, shall into should. Next line, will into would, will into would. May into might, may into might. Can into could, can into could. Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Come into came, come into came. कम मतलब एक वर्ब उठा लिया इन लोगों ने और उसका एग्जाम्पल दे रहे हैं ना, जैसे गो हुआ तो वो वेंट में चला जाएगा, लाइक दिस. कम इनटू केम, is coming into was coming. Was here were according to the subject. Is coming into was coming. Has come into had come, into had come. Then has been coming into had been coming. Has been coming into had been coming.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone written?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am, I
ma'am.
have done.
Okay. Now see it, what happens that when the reporting verb is what? Said. Okay. See the very first example that I had given you. Ashok said. Said लिखा हुआ है ना? तो Ashok is what? Subject. Right? और said क्या है? रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब है, यानी वो वर्ब रिपोर्ट कर रहा है कि अशोक ने क्या करा, what action is done by him. तो he spoke, he said, उसने बोला था, right? So in the very first we have put all the actual words that are spoken by Ashok in double inverted commas. हमने double inverted commas में लिखे हैं. इसका मतलब क्यों? क्योंकि वो actual words हैं that are spoken by the speaker. Who will be the speaker? One who speaks. और इस sentence में speaker कौन है बेटा? अशोक. Okay? क्योंकि अशोक ने बोला था. Said means जो भी उसने बोला था वो हमने actual words में उसके बता दिया है. ठीक है? I'm working hard for the examination. This only Ashok said, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
तो जो फर्स्ट वाला हुआ जब हमने उसके एक्चुअल वर्ड्स वी हैव कोटेड इन डबल इन्वर्टेड, दैट इज द डायरेक्ट स्पीच. ओके, अब उसकी कही गई बातों का सब्सटेंस हम बता रहे हैं, दैट इज व्हाट? रिपोर्टेड स्पीच और इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. राइट? उसमें क्या कर रहा है अशोक? द स्पीकर विल रिमेन द सेम ना. अशोक की जगह हम मुकेश तो नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अशोक. राइट? said मतलब उसने बोला था, means whatever he said that is gone in the past. Okay?
Yes,
Said.
ma'am.
अब ये रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब said और जो रिपोर्टिंग वर्ड्स हैं उसके, है ना, उनको जोड़ दिया गया है by using that conjunction. Conjunctions क्या होते हैं? What are conjunctions?
And the word connect to
Ma'am,
two
word that
sentences.
Good, beta. Only
And to join
Rahul, Rahul Chitwan, few are there. See others, you know, sleeping. So conjunctions are those words that join two or more words or sentences. Okay. So Ashok said that. अब हमें क्या करना है बेटा, इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में बताना है उसकी कही गई बात का सब्सटेंस. ओके, उसके एक्चुअल वर्ड्स को हमें कोट नहीं करना है. तो हमने क्या लिखा, अशोक सेड दैट. आई किस में कन्वर्ट हो गया, ही में. मैं की जगह यदि मैं यहाँ पर इफ आई एम गोइंग टू राइट अशोक सेड दैट आई वाज वर्किंग, तो वो बात किसके लिए हो जाएगी, मेरे लिए हो जाएगी, है ना. हमें तो अशोक ने कहा था कि
Yes, ma'am.
वह काम कर रहा था, राइट. तो अशोक सेड दैट ही गॉट इट. नाउ एम वर्किंग इज प्रेजेंट
Yes, ma'am.
कंटिन्यूअस. अब ये पास्ट में जाएगा क्योंकि उसने बोला था. तो प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस इट विल गो इनटू पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस. ही was working hard for the examination. Got it?
Yes,
समझ में
ma'am.
आया?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm talking
Yes,
to
sir.
everyone. Read the sentence
ma'am.
again and again, again and again. You will understand it. Okay? जैसे she said, comma, inverted comma, I shall come to school. Okay? Then shall जब रिपोर्ट हम करेंगे बात, तो shall किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. सबसे पहले हमें क्या
Should.
देखना है बेटा,
Should में.
रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब
Should
देखना
में.
है. Okay, she said means उसने ऑलरेडी वो बात बोल दी थी in the past. Okay, said indicates past tense, right? तो whatever the speaker has spoken, जो भी बात उसने बोली है वो past में ही जाएगी ना, जब हम उसको indirect में quote करेंगे. Clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Clear.
ma'am.
Is it clear? जैसे
Yes,
उसने
ma'am.
कहा मैम, he said I will come to your house. He said I will come to your house. Now said is what, again the past tense. Clear? तो मैम उसने कहा था वो मेरे घर आएगा, मतलब पास्ट में आएगा ना. तो he said that he would
Yes,
come
ma'am.
to my house, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, enough. वैसे भी it's 8:30. Tomorrow I'm
Yes,
going
ma'am.
to ask you to switch on the cameras and show me the registers. This work should be done in fair registers.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Not everybody, a new fair register must be taken by everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Try to be honest with yourself better. You are going to appear in the board exams. Okay? Board कोई online नहीं होने वाला है, आपको वहीं जाके देना पड़ेगा. So study very sincerely and very carefully from this moment right now. Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, thank you. God bless you all.